Welcome to Easy English Podcasts. This is your place to learn real English through everyday life. In this episode, we'll spend the morning together, talking, thinking, doing simple things, all in English. Just listen, relax, and let your mind follow the flow. Let's begin our day together. Good morning. I can hear the soft sound of birds outside the window. The sky is still a bit dark, but there's a calm feeling in the air. I open my eyes slowly, letting them adjust to the gentle light coming through the curtain. I stay in bed for a few seconds, just breathing. No rush, no noise, just the quiet of a new day beginning. I stretch my arms over my head. My body feels a little stiff, but it's waking up. I take a deep breath, in and out. That feels better. I sit up and place my feet on the floor. It feels cool against my skin. A small shiver runs up my back. I smile. Another new day. Another chance to live, to grow, to enjoy the little things. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. The mirror shows a sleepy version of me. My hair is messy, and my eyes are still adjusting to the light. I splash cold water on my face. It wakes me up instantly. I look at myself again, a little more alive now. I brush my teeth slowly, thinking about nothing in particular, just letting my mind move freely. After brushing, I rinse my mouth and take another breath. The air feels fresh now. I comb my hair quickly and smile at myself as a mirror. Not perfect, but that's okay. I'm not trying to be perfect today. I'm just trying to be present. I walk into the kitchen. It's quiet, peaceful. The morning light comes through the window, touching the counter and the sink with a soft golden glow. I fill the kettle with water, press the switch, and wait. As I wait, I look out the window. The street outside is still quiet. A few people are walking. Some cars pass by. Life is starting slowly, gently. The kettle begins to make that low sound, the one that tells me it's almost ready. I reach for a tea bag, place it in a cup, and pour the hot water over it. The steam rises. I watch it for a moment, then sit down at the table. I wrap my hands around the warm mug and take a slow sip. It's hot, a little strong, but good, comforting. As I drink, I think about what I need to do today. But I don't make a list, I just think, one step at a time. First, drink tea, then maybe eat something, then see how I feel. I don't want to rush. I want this morning to be slow, soft, kind. I take another sip. The warmth moves through my chest, making me feel grounded. My phone buzzes once. I look at it. Just a small message. Nothing urgent. I leave it on the table and return to the moment. The sun is a bit higher now. More light is filling the kitchen. I open the window a little. Cool air flows in. It smells clean, fresh, like the start of something. I listen. Birds, a car, a distant voice, and my own breath. I decide to make breakfast. Not too heavy, just enough. I take out some bread, an egg, and a banana. I toast the bread. While I wait, I crack the egg into a pan. It sizzles softly. I add a bit of salt and pepper. The smell rises. It reminds me of peaceful mornings from the past. Mornings when life felt easy. The toast pops up. I butter it gently, place the egg on top, and slice the banana on the side. It's not fancy, but it looks good. It smells good. I sit down again and take the first bite. The toast is warm, the egg soft, the banana sweet. Simple pleasures. I eat slowly. No phone, no screen, just me, the food, the sounds of the morning. I think about how lucky I am to be here, to be alive, to have a quiet moment like this. Sometimes we forget, but right now I remember. After eating, I clean up. I wash the plate, the fork, the pan. I wipe the table. I like when things are clean. It makes me feel calm, like I can breathe better. Back in my room, I open the curtains fully. The light is bright now. The sun is fully up. I feel its warmth on my face. I close my eyes for a second, standing still, letting the light cover me. I think about taking a short walk, just around the block. I put on my shoes and grab my keys. I step outside. The air is crisp. The light is golden. I walk slowly, noticing the trees, the flowers, the people passing by. I smile at a stranger. They smile back. Every step feels good. The rhythm of walking, the way it connects me to the ground. I look up at the sky, blue with a few clouds. I hear a dog bark, a child laugh, a bike passing. This is what mornings are for: quiet steps, gentle thoughts, simple joys. I keep walking, not far, not fast, just enough to feel alive, to feel the morning in every breath, every sound, every small moment. When I return home, I take off my shoes, wash my hands, and pour another cup of tea. I sit again in the same chair, but now I feel more awake, more ready, not rushed, not stressed, just ready in a soft and peaceful way. The morning is not over yet. There's still time. Time to read a few pages from a book. Time to write a few lines in a journal. Time to sit in silence and listen to life around me. Maybe I'll do one of those things. Or maybe I'll just sit here for a bit longer, breathing, being, enjoying this quiet, beautiful morning. I take my notebook and pen. I open it slowly, feeling the smooth paper under my fingers. I write down 3 things I am grateful for today. It helps me see the good around me, the small blessings we sometimes forget. I write the warm sun, the quiet street, the fresh tea. These simple things bring me joy. I smile as I write. Gratitude makes my heart light. After writing, I close my notebook gently and look out the window. The sky is clear now, and the sun shines bright. The birds are still singing their morning songs. I listen carefully, enjoying the harmony of nature. I think about practicing some English phrases. Repeating them out loud helps me remember and feel confident. I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" Slowly, then faster. I smile at my progress. I try some expressions to describe the morning. The air is fresh. The sky is blue. I feel calm and happy. These simple sentences help me practice speaking naturally. Sometimes I imagine having a conversation with a friend. I say, "What did you do this morning?" And I answer, "I walked outside, drank tea, and felt happy." Practicing like this makes English easier. I take a deep breath and look around the room. Everything feels peaceful. The soft light, the quiet sounds, the small moments. They all help me learn and grow. I remember that learning English is a journey. Some days are easy, some days are hard, but every day is a chance to improve a little bit more. I think about you, listening now. I hope you feel calm and ready to learn, just like me this morning. We are on this journey together. I smile again and take another sip of tea. The warmth spreads inside me. I feel thankful for this moment, for this chance to practice English in a simple, relaxed way. I hear a clock ticking softly. Time is moving, but I don't feel rushed. I know there is time to enjoy the day and to keep learning. I stand up and stretch once more. My body feels alive and ready. I walk to the window and open it wide. The fresh air flows in, filling the room with energy. Outside, the world is waking up. People start their day with hope and dreams. I think about joining them soon, speaking English with confidence. For now, I stay here a little longer, feeling peaceful and prepared for the day. Thank you for spending this morning with me. I hope you enjoyed this quiet time, this gentle practice, and these simple words. Tomorrow we will spend the afternoon together and learn even more English. But for now, take your time. Practice the words. Breathe deeply. Smile. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. You are doing great. Have a wonderful morning. See you soon on Easy English Podcasts.